Students, today you are going to be working on vocabulary for our new economics unit. So when you get into your 8th grade social studies page, please come over here to the side and click on our econ unit. You're going to want to go to the first page, which is our landing page, and when it opens, you will see that we have our standards for this unit and we have our essential question. Okay, our essential question is here in red and it says, how did the Industrial Revolution change the American way of life? So we're going to look at the time period of the Industrial Revolution to answer a question of how it has changed our life. And we're going to do that through these standards that have to deal with economy. Okay, today when you do your vocabulary, you're going to find out what that means, and you're going to look up 16 other words so that you can be prepared for when we move into our unit next week. Okay, you are going to start by clicking on today's date, so it's 10/12. So you will click on that assignment, and when it pops up, you will see what we are doing today. Okay, you should watch CNN 10. If you have not watched that already, that's what you'll be doing, and you'll complete your 3, 2, 1, same as we do for class every day. Okay, then you're going to work on the econ vocab slides. We are not going to do brain pop today. You're just going to focus on getting your slides done. Notice that it says for homework, you have to finish your slides if they are not done in class, and they should take you the entire time to finish today. Okay, you're going to click on this hyperlink here, that's the vocabulary slides in red. When you click on that, it's going to ask you to make a copy. You are going to hit yes, make a copy. Okay, you will have to open it in your Google Slides app, so look for the yellowish orange app on your home screen of your iPad. Otherwise, you will not be able to edit it. Once you have that open, you're going to click on slide 2, and that is your directions. Okay, it says use this Quizlet. Notice that the words this Quizlet are underlined and in a different color. That is a link that you will open up to find your words and your definitions. Okay, once you've done that and you've found your definitions, you are going to use the words in a sentence that shows the meaning, and I will show you an example on the next slide. And then you will find an image, or you can draw your own, whether it's on paper and you take a picture with your iPad, or you use the Notes app or the Explain Everything app and draw your picture and import it into your Google Slides. Okay, and that picture should help you remember the word's meaning. Okay, so you can copy and paste, like I said, from Google, or you can draw your own. Okay, slide 3 is your example. So here's your first word, economics. Okay, and your definition is the study of how people seek to satisfy their needs and wants by making choices. Okay, in other words, it's people looking at how others spend their money on what they need to have and what they want to have. Okay, so our chart here, our image here has a chart, and then it also has money. So you're looking at kind of analyzing how people are spending that money. So that is why that's your picture for that. Okay, your sentence is the holiday season increases the economics of the United States due to the higher number of goods being purchased. Okay, so this study goes up of what people need and want based on the fact that they're buying more things. Okay, for the next 16 slides, you are going to write in your word here. So you'll take this out and write in your new word. You will copy your definition from the Quizlet. I suggest finding your image first after the definition and then writing your sentence based on that image. I find that that's the easiest to do, and then it helps you also when you see the image to know what your word is. Okay, so there are 16 other words that you are going to look up and type in here. Okay, going back for a second to show you the Quizlet, when you open this up, it will take you to a list of words, okay? We are not going to use these on the top yet. That is for another day. You're going to scroll down until you see the words, and if you notice, economics is the first word, and then you have the definition. Okay, all of your words are listed here. If you would like to make them alphabetical, you can do that by clicking where it says original and then choosing alphabetical, and then you'll have them in that order. They are not written on the slides so that you can pick whatever order you want to put in your words on your slides. Okay? You can also click the play audio and it will read the word for you.
Economics, the study of how people seek to satisfy their needs and wants by making choices.
Okay, and you can do that for all of these. Please use your headphones if you're going to, and let the substitute know that you're using your headphones to listen to the words. As soon as you are done listening to the words and the definitions, your headphones go off or you will get in trouble for that. So please make sure that you're following those directions. Okay, your slides need to be complete by the time you get to class on Monday. So you do have a long amount of time to get this done, but please don't forget that. I suggest opening your assignment notebook and writing that in there now before you forget. Okay, this is all that you will need to be completing for class. If you finish early, please read silently, either your Outsiders book, a personal book, or you can grab one off of the bookshelf in the back of my room. But that is what you are doing today. Please be good and have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday.